Try. One day you will fly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video and a very good morning all of you. I hope you all are well and I'm feeling fantastic today. And I'm here for making English practice video. That is why I'm here. You can see behind me right now I am at Netruguna Modern Stadium. And yeah, you can see I'm wearing a jersey. And today's morning is special because uh, yesterday was very hot day. I mean, it's called dog day in English. And if you guys wanna speak English, if you guys wanna improve your speaking skill, then you have to practice a lot. You know, one thing that practice makes a man perfect. So the more you practice, the more you catch easily. And yeah, right now I'm here at Netruguna Modern Stadium, and you can see behind me there are lots of bamboo trees. Yeah, that's it. I don't want it more longer because okay, it's my second day and I'm trying to speak in English. Yeah, so I make a mistake when in front of camera. I make lots of mistake. So I think if you really want to improve your speaking skill, then you have to practice with someone. You can practice in front of camera. You should make mistake. I think everyone should make mistake, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because when we are child, in that time we can't speak Bengali as well. We can't speak Bengali properly. So nowadays I'm trying to improve myself. So if you want to be a good speaker, then you have to be a good listener as well. So you have to listen a lots of English. You can listen English podcast, you can watch English movie, or you can watch English cartoon. That will be helpful for you. So if you guys want to practice English with me, then let me comment, let me know. I will I'm actually looking for a practice partner, and that is why. Yeah, so I don't want to it more longer. Okay, goodbye.